Okay, children, this is fill in the blanks. The first sum we have completed. Now, sum number 2, fill in the blanks. This is in the exercise from the book only. So, we are going to continue this one. Fill in the blanks. Page number 14. Okay. So, in this, the factors of 7. First one is factors. The factors of 7 are, what are the tables? It will go 1 and 7 only. Then second one, the only even prime number. The only even prime number is 2. Then the next one is LCM of 4 and 12. LCM of 4 and 12. So 4 and 12 LCM is least common multiple. For 4 and 12, 4 tables and 12 or not, 12 tables and 12. So we can put 12 is the answer. Then LCM of 5 and 15. 5 and 15. So 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15. So the answer is 15. The number which divides 35. The number which divides 35 without remainder. 35 எந்த நம்பரால டிவைட் பண்ணா ரிமைண்டர் வராது. Divides 35 without remainder. Without reminders are என்னன்னா இது? They are given 3 options. That is 5 tables, 7 tables and 35 tables. This we have to. So these are the 5 fill in the blanks. Okay children, now we'll move on to the next one. That is the next sum is same page number only. Same page number. Write down the factors of given numbers. Write down the factors. We have to write the factors. Write down the factors of given numbers. What are the numbers given? You have to write the factors. Factors na enna sonna? இந்த டேபிள்ஸில் போகுது. மல்டிபிள்ஸ்னா அந்த டேபிள்ஸோட மல்டிபிள்ஸ் மட்டும் எழுதணும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் 25. ஸோ we can write the factors of 25. And then the tables are 1, 5 and 25. That's all. Okay. Then second one, 36. The factors of 36. The factors of 36 are, what are the factors? You say, end of the table student. One table. 1, 2, 3 tables, 3 10s are 33, 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, and then 9, 12, and then 36. So these are the factors of 36. And the third sum 14, and the fourth sum 16, and fifth sum 12. This is the homework. Okay. And now, draw a picture of factor tree. Draw a picture of factor tree. So, factor tree you have to draw. So, how to draw the factor tree? For 18, they are given a sum 18. So, you put 18 and put the box here. Now, we can take 2 tables, 2 9s are. 2 1 2 1s are, 2 1s are. So, no need to put. We will put the 9. For 9 in the tables, we can take 3 tables. So this is the factor tree. Like this only we have to put. And second sum 33. So 33 is, we can take 3 11s are. So only the 2 factors. This is the factor 3. Then third sum is 16 and fourth sum is 50. These 2 is the homework. Okay. So 2 sums I have written and 2 sums is the homework for you. Now we will move on to the fourth sum. Now the fourth sum is, write down the first 5 multiples of page number 14, same page only. Write down the first 5 multiples of the given numbers. So they are given the first sum 7. So multiples of 7. So they are asking the first 5 multiples. So you can write the first 5 multiples. Multiples of 7. So you can write 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. This is the first 5 multiples of 7 tables. Okay. Then the second sum, they are given 9. So multiples of 9. The first 5 multiples na 9 fives are 45 varike eduna porum. So that is 9 ones are 9, 2s are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. Okay. Then third sum 16 and fourth sum is 11 and fifth sum is 21. So this is the homework. Okay. And now the next one. So ellame tables da. So learn the tables, children. That will be, then only it will be easy for you. Easier put all the tables. If you have done the, if you have to learn the tables, you can easily finish. Find first 3 common multiples of given numbers. Find first 3 common multiples. அதாவது 2 நம்பருக்கும் 3 இது சேமாக இருக்கணும். Common multiples of the given number. Okay. So in this, they are given the first sum 24 and 16. So you can write multiples of 24. Multiples of 24. Then multiples of 16. So I can write 24, 48, 52, then 81, is 6. Okay, 16 twos are 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, and then 16 threes are 48, then 16 fours are 14, 64, then 80, then 96. 48 is a 96. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Then 16 and 16 is So we can round up 48. Then 96. Okay. Then 24 into 24 is 144. 16. 144. So these are the three multiples. So the three multiples. The first three common multiples. So in the ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு சேமாக கொஞ்சம் we have to learn the tables by multiply and see the multiples of 16 and 24. 16 and 24 are என்னென்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 48, 96 and 144. This is the first three common multiples. Okay. Now the next one is first sum is like this. So first on the 24 tables all the multiples you have to write. Then for 16 tables multiples you have to write. Next sum is 12 and 9. Second sum they are given 12 and 9. First sum is like this. Okay, second sum is 12 and 9. So you can write, this is easy only, multiples of 12. So you can write all the 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 72, 84, then 96, then 108, 120. Then multiples of 9. First you can write the multiples because we have to find out the three multiples. So 9 ones are 9, these are 27, 9 fours are 36. Put the comma, 9 fives are 45, 6 are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, so 99, and 12s are 108. So you can write what are the multiples, 36 and this is 36, and 72 and this is 72, and 108 and this is 108. So you can write the first three common multiples. Of what are the numbers? 12 and 9 is what? 36, 72 and 108. Okay. So your homework is sixth sum. Third one, only one sum they are in homework I gave. 24 and 36. This is the homework. So do this by yourself, children. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is the seventh sum. It's easy only. So for this, the tables is very, very important. So you have to learn the table. Seventh, find the LCM. Find the LCM. LCM of given numbers. So what are the LCM here they are given? First sum 12 and 28. So we can put the factors like this, 12, because this is the biggest number. So smallest number is we can put the LCM like this. So what is said? 2 tables, 12 on the 2 tables la pogum, 2 6 are 12, then again 6 on the 2 tables, 2 3s are 6, 3 vandadala we can take 3 tables. Okay, then 28 also, 2 tables are 4, 7s are 28, we should not take the 4 tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Then 14 will go in the 2 tables. How many times? 7 times. Then 7 will go in the 7 tables. Okay. Now we have to write the find the LCM. Okay. Now 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Then 28 equal to 2 into 2 into 7. So what I told you, ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் காமனாக இருக்கிறது சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க. Okay. So LCM of 12 and 28. is equal to என்னென்ன இருக்குது, ரெண்டு டூவில் ஒரு 2 போடுங்க, இந்த ரெண்டு டூவில் ஒரு 2 போடுங்க, அப்புறம் ரிமைனிங் ஒரு 3 இருக்குது, ஒரு 7 இருக்குது. ஸோ மல்டிப்ளை ஆல் திஸ் நம்பர்ஸ். 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So 84 is the LCM. Okay, so this is the sum. And okay, second and third sum. Second sum 16 and 24 இருக்குது, இதே மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க. And third sum 8 and 14, very easy only, 8 and 14. And fourth sum I will do, here they are given 30 and 20. So in this 30 and 20, we do this 30 and 20. This is the homework. So you can try, children. Now the problem is here, they are given the problem. Ramya visits the gym 5 days once. Ramya visits a gym 5 days once. 5 days once. And Kavita visits the gym 6 days once. 6 days once. In which day will they meet each other? Will they meet each other? So ரெண்டு பேரும் எப்போ ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் மீட் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. Okay, so Kavita goes to gym for 5 days once, 5 days. And then Ramya 5 days போகிறா, கவிதா வந்து 6 days போகிறா. ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுங்கள், we have to find, என்ன பண்ணணும், LCM. இது வரைக்கும் தான் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ we have to find LCM. So what is the LCM of 5 and 6? ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுங்கள், 5க்கு எப்படி போடுங்க, 6க்கு எப்படி போடுங்க. 5 வந்து 5 டேபிள்ஸில் தான் போகும். 6 வந்து 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s. So 5 is equal to 5 into 5 and 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So for no common factors, so we have to write LCM of 5 and 6 is 5 into 2 into 3. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So 30 days once they will meet each other. Okay, 5 days once and Kavita visits 6 days. In which day will they meet each other? They will meet 30th day. So 30th day they will meet. Okay, children. So this is the answer for you. So 5 and 6. So this is the problem. So you can do this. So up to this we can finish the children. This is the about the factors and the multiples. Thank you.